Kylie, what are we doing?
We are harvesting our whole bunch of grapes.
Our whole bunch of grapes. Show me some you've harvested.
I've harvested this much.
Oh,
and
good job.
there's
And can
still,
you show me how you do it?
well, we find a bunch, and then before the leaf, you cut it, and then you put it into the bucket.
Good job. Let's see who's working over here. They're not strawberries. What are they?
But this one looks like one. That's cute.
Yeah, I think so.
Come and see what I got over here, Mom.
Okay, I'm coming to see what you've got over here. Ooh, good job.
Thanks, Mom.
A couple of turkey feathers on the ground. That's cool.
Yeah.
Greg, you said it was quitting time.
It is quitting time. You guys are still over there taking pictures and
Kylie, be very careful with those big
how great
scissors.
you guys are doing. And over here, like, look at this.
I think we have enough.
I don't.
Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Sorry if it's messy, we live here. Okay, so today Greg went outside and was walking around the property and noticed that a lot of the grapes were falling off the vine. So we are assuming that they were ripe and they were nice and darkly colored like Concord grapes are supposed to. So today, Kylie and Colin and Greg and I picked all of the bunches off of the vine. And we brought them inside and we soaked them in cold water to kind of help wash them and get ready for picking them off of the vines. And then Kylie and Greg and I worked together to pick all of the grapes. And anything that is discarded stems or mushy grapes, we are giving to our pigs. So there really isn't much waste. A little bit went down the garbage disposal, but I'm sure that it's fine. And then we moved to this process where we added about a cup of water, maybe a little bit shy of water, and we have it on medium-low heat. And we're just kind of mashing as they soften and making sure that we stir. It smells absolutely delicious. I'm not worried about the skins or the seeds because last year we invested in this Victorio food strainer. Let me show you the top here. This is the model that we got, model 250. And we watched a YouTube video about somebody doing a review of this and how it was so great, and that they recommended that we also get the accessory pack, which I'm glad that we did, because it's got the grape spiral in it and then the berry strainer, which I don't think we'll need. I think we'll probably use this regular strainer, which is what we used for the tomatoes, just to make sure that the skins don't go through and the seeds don't go through. So I'll show you how it works, but basically all of the pulp and the seeds will come through this funnel here and the juice will come out here into a bowl. So everything gets put into the top once it's heated and you turn the little crank and you have your juice. Easy peasy. Okay, it took me a few tries to remember how this goes together because I haven't used it since probably last fall. But down here is the mount. It mounts to most countertops. And then this is the step that I forgot, but you put the spring in here that goes onto the little crank. And then inside here, this is orangey red because of our tomato sauce making. It's stained, but it is what it is. So inside here, it's the sieve. This is the grape spiral. And then you have the gasket to prevent leaking. And this is a funnel that helps direct all of the skins and the seeds out. So this just goes on like so. Line this up. You have to kind of press and turn, tighten, got that going in the right direction. It only fits on one way. This is the kind of like a funnel for the juice to come off. And then in goes the top funnel. This is your pusher. Don't go this way. It has a hole in this end. I've made that mistake before. Use this end. It helps to push everything down. This end will fit, but then you'll get liquids in there and it can get jammed in there. I don't think you need scissors right now. And then the crankshaft, this is my only complaint that we've had of the whole thing. Is this, there's really nothing to hold this in. It does slide in easily, but if you are doing a lot of turning, it only wants you to go in this direction, but sometimes you do have to back turn it if there's a lot of pulp built up. This will sometimes wiggle loose, but that's not a huge deal. So let's get our bowls ready to catch the juice and the pulp, and we'll get going here.
You want me to be the one to spill it?
Skin is about the same as a tomato. Oh, look at the juices flowing. You going in the correct direction?
Mm-hmm. Wow, does that look rich?
Yeah, a lot of it's coming through though. I'll have to probably do like we do with the tomatoes and...
Do it a couple times?
Yeah. It smells really good.
It smells very potent.
Yeah, that's why you dilute it after you can. We'll just go straight in a circle.
But you don't need to be pushing the machine around. You're just simply supposed to churn it.
Well, it's getting stuck.
Yep, that's okay.
Hey, now it's actually pushing the oven.
Starting to fill the jars. Getting ready for the water bath canning.